Hi, my name is Juan David Salcedo. I'm a Global Customer Success Manager at Symmetric. Today we're going to be talking about the Accounting Translator. But first, the agenda. Well, what is the Accounting Translator? It's a module that helps companies to automate the accounting entries of their business events that occur on a daily basis. I'm going to talk about 4 benefits of the implementation. You can have a track detailed transactions with the seed entries, with the audits, or the transactional traceability. Also, it's an automation like end-to-end, where you can be having the updating by events, real-time updates. There you can have an easy process to configure our accounting flows, which is with the no-code that we use. The FinOps teams are independent, and also is a short period of implementation. And finally, you can have the operational efficiency optimization with fewer manual processes and also communication silos. How does Symmetric work? On the beginning, you have the sources, which are going to be sent to Symmetric in a reconciliation. There you will have different results that can be put in the data analysis, which is another feature that we have for dashboard and metrics, and also the accounting translator that is going to take all the entries to the ERP. How can we do it with the accounting translator? We can configure the information that ERP needs for accounting inputs, like the layout. Also, we can control and approve the status of publishing actions on accounting entries, like cancel, resend, or discard. And finally, we can configure the different accounting modules according to the reconciliations. What are the capabilities of use? This can be used in various equipment and use cases. For example, posting of revenue costs and taxes, bank statements, programming and generation of invoices, currency differences, commissions or refunds and chargebacks. And also you can generate invoices, grouped and classified bank statements, and these with the ability to synchronize operations and accounting and facilitate reporting for closing, streamlines financial and accounting processes. Some success cases that we have here in Latin America: Cobre, which is a company that is invoicing compensation funds and bank reconciliations. They are doing daily automation of the processes of daily collection, invoices that are compensation funds in 100% end-to-end process, and they are posting the reconciliation results from the bank. And finally, the reconciliation of all of their banks. They went live since October 2023. And finally, we have Mercado Libre with the transactional money use cases. They have the automation and the accounting of internal base, settlement report by processors, automatic cross-checking settlement counterparty, and they went live since September 2023. We have here what is a structure. The structure defines the necessary information and refers to the format, which is the template or the layout required by the ERP to receive the information to be transmitted by Symmetric and to be able to generate the accounting. Here we have some points that I'm going to tell you about. First, the general information, which is the name, description, and structure. Second, the header, which is the general ticket information like transactions and dates. Next, we have the journal entries lines that include the particular information for debit and credit accounting items. And finally, we have the document, which is the journal information on the journal entries to be generated according to these ERP parameters. Also, we have another question. What is a module? These are the rules for the automatic generation of the entries, indicating which are the variables of information that are going to be grouped to activate the accounting entry, and how often it should be sent, and which fields of the reconciliation should be linked. The module includes 4 points. First, line items, which is the information on each line item, like debit and credit. Also, the document related information in the structure. The header, which is informative fields for the message to be sent. And finally, the general configuration, with the information to be sent, like the start date and the period. The accounting, the accounting entries manager, which is monitoring for each accounting module, lists 100% of the entries and filters according to the status of the entries in Symmetric and the ERP. Some of the states are failed, prepared, sending, sent to, for approval, cancel, discard, cancel without reprocessing, and cancel without reprocessing failed. Finally, we're going to show you a training demo on the session that you can manage with us your CSMs. And also, if you have like any other questions, you can contact us, and we will set up a quick meeting. Thanks for seeing. See you soon.